Listen, when it comes to your home, the foundation is everything. So when you're facing foundation repairs, you need to know what you're getting into. In this video, we're going to walk you through the 5 hidden factors that can jack up those foundation repair costs, and, more importantly, how to avoid them. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll show you some essential tools and resources that can save you a whole lot of trouble and money down the road. You'll find links to those in the description below. First things first, let's talk about the ground beneath your feet. Literally. The type of soil your house sits on plays a huge role in foundation health and the cost of repairs. Some soils, like expansive clay, are real troublemakers. They soak up water like a sponge, expanding and shrinking like an accordion. All that movement puts stress on your foundation, leading to cracks and other expensive problems. A soil test is non-negotiable. It'll tell you everything you need to know about your soil's composition and how it's likely to behave. Knowing your soil type helps you understand what you're up against. Get that soil tested, folks. We all know water is essential for life, but for your foundation, it's public enemy number 1. Water damage is a silent killer, slowly but surely weakening your foundation over time. If you've had any history of leaks, flooding, or even poor drainage around your house, you can bet it's impacting your foundation and driving up repair costs. Water can seep into cracks, causing them to expand and worsen. Over time, this can lead to major structural issues that are way more expensive to fix. When water damage is involved, foundation repairs become more complex. This often means additional work like waterproofing your basement or installing a drainage system. Ignoring these issues is like putting a band-aid on a broken bone. It's not going to fix the problem. Remember, a dry foundation is a happy foundation. Now let's talk about your foundation itself. Not all foundations are built the same, and the type of foundation you have can significantly impact your repair costs. If you have a simple concrete slab foundation, you're in luck. Slab foundations are generally the easiest and least expensive to repair. But if you have a pier and beam foundation or a crawl space foundation, be prepared to potentially shell out more. These types require more intricate work and specialized materials, which can bump up the price tag. Understanding your foundation type helps you set realistic expectations for repair costs. Know what you're working with to avoid surprises.
Know you've been a good friend.
You know the old saying, location, location, location? Well, it doesn't just apply to real estate prices, it affects your foundation repair costs too. Where you live and how accessible your foundation is can significantly impact the final bill. If you live in a densely populated urban area with limited access to your property, be prepared to pay a premium. Contractors in these areas often have higher overhead costs, including transportation and parking. On the flip side, if you're in a rural area, you might face higher transportation costs for materials and equipment. And don't forget about the lay of the land. Contractors might need specialized equipment to access your foundation without damaging your yard. The takeaway? Be upfront about your location and any potential access challenges. It'll help them provide you with a more accurate estimate. We're almost at the finish line, but there's one last hidden cost we need to address: permits and inspections. These are often overlooked expenses that can add a hefty sum to your foundation repair bill. Dealing with permits and inspections can feel like jumping through hoops, but they're there for a reason. They ensure the work is done correctly, up to code, and safe for you and your family. The cost of permits varies depending on where you live. Some municipalities charge a flat fee, while others base it on the project's value. And don't forget about the inspection fees. Call your local building department to get a clear understanding of the permit and inspection requirements in your area. Knowledge is power. There you have it, folks. You're now armed with the knowledge of those sneaky hidden factors that can inflate foundation repair costs. By understanding these factors and taking the necessary steps, you can avoid unpleasant surprises and protect your investment. Check out the foundation inspection kits and soil testing tools we've handpicked for you down in the description. These tools can help you identify potential issues early on, potentially saving you thousands in costly repairs. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. Until next time, stay safe and keep those foundations strong.